In this session, we're going to review how to submit in your file by downloading two PNG files, one from the front side at an angle and also one from the back side at an angle. And you're going to be replacing these two images with yours. Let's go ahead and put shadows in and also turn off the axes as well to make this look more realistic. And so let's go ahead and go through the process. If you go to the right hand side here, there's a little glass icon. It's called display. If you click on the display button, there should be a shadow on and off. If you click this here, it will turn the shadow on. You can actually change the time of the day as well to kind of showcase where the sun is coming from. Then once you have that set up, you can go ahead and hide the axes, and then you're gonna go ahead and export this through. So let's go ahead and close this and zoom in to the view you want. Go to File, or the three little lines in the top left hand corner, click on Download and say PNG. This is going to be the image you want. Maximize the view as best you can. So you can zoom in more if you like to, or zoom out if you need to. You won't have the entire image inside the particular screen. Click on Export as Ping and press Export. Once you have that set up, you're going to go into the assignment and replace these images. So you click on this item here, click on Replace Image, upload from computer, and it should have downloaded in the download folder, and you should be able to find your A-frame file. Once you have that, just press Replace and press Turn In once you have the two images set up.